Hi everybody, welcome to Mr. Carbonero's video on derivatives.
Thanks, Evan. Well, here's the problem. If you see on the screen here, we have 4x cubed plus 3 times the cubic root of x squared plus 4 times x to the negative third power minus 2 over x squared. I did this problem because it has kind of everything in it. Showing you this kind of shows you everything that was really in the section that we covered. First of all, what we have here is the sum and difference rule. The sum and difference rule tells us that if we're adding any polynomial function, we can break it up into parts. Basically, we can take the derivative of, I'm going to do dash lines because it's a minus. Alright, we can take derivative of this guy, we take derivative of this guy, take derivative of this guy, and take derivative of this guy, and we'd be all good. So let's take it one thing at a time. Alright. Oh, oops, I did -1. That's inverse. Alright, prime. Alright, so if we take the derivative of the first part, 4x cubed, again, the power rule tells us to take the exponent, pull it down to the front. Alright, so we get 3x, and then subtract 1 from that exponent. So we get 2. Alright, and then this guy, actually, yeah, okay. Then over here, I'm going to, underneath this, if you don't mind, I'm going to rewrite this as what it would look like with a rational exponent. The way I do that is power over root. So 2/3 would be what this would end up looking like. This guy's already good because it's 4x to the negative third power. That's good. But this guy I want to rewrite as 2x to the negative 2. Okay? Why I'm doing that is because it makes this a lot easier for us to take the derivative of. I hope this doesn't confuse anyone, but basically I'm just rewriting. Like, I'm kind of getting rid of this, and I'm getting rid of this. I'm making it look a little nicer. Alright, so now we're going to take the derivative of this function right here, 3x to the 2/3. So again, we have our constant. We pulled down our exponent, which is 2/3. And we subtract 1 from this, so we know this comes out to be -1/3. Okay. Then we look at the next guy right here. We have our constant. Bring down our exponent, so we get -3. Subtract 1, we get -4. Alright, and then over here, we have our constant. And pull down our exponent. And subtract 1. Okay, now we got to make this look a little nicer, so we got to multiply all our constants. We have 12x squared plus 2/3 times 3 is 2x to the -1/3 plus, I'll put it like this, -12x to the -4th plus 4x to the -3rd. And I told you guys in class for this quiz, we don't have to worry about bringing down the negative exponents. However, in the future, we might go into that. But really, that is our final solution. We could be done at that point. There are no like terms, nothing to combine, and no other things to do. But that kind of covers everything that was in the section. Taking just a basic derivative, derivatives when you have a root, okay, you make it into a rational exponent, derivatives when you have a negative exponent, and derivatives when you have fractions. Make them into a negative exponent, and then take the derivative of. Okay? Thank you very much for watching, and I hope this helps. Good luck.